court some a year Gifty adoye e de call ye nim say evangelist mama part won tie David wo kramutwe akroma water kwanchen etne ka mu ai ehun wo say evangelist mama part say e de na Gifty wo kire no na wo de me court a wantimi amfa nkrata no asoma lawyer ko a okosama me e de ma no amfa mba me fie na mo de beto social media. Oh, what's say asem de what say no cry. What's wo your ba sabe mo nyina mo hye sabe pieto na mo wuro na be ma e de ne sen e wura fa court letter no fa bra ne fie na onu so en receive en fa te social media en post social media en kire se wo ye oga wo kire se oye woman Gaddafi wo be kire swan obetro no court ye gen wo no so ba ko fa ne lawyer na asem we wo de sie ani. Hey, me enti evangelist mbra.
Abusia for some hoye de. Mrs. Yama ba ko pe. No co pressure ba ko pe. The only gazetted name, no co pressure, that has been gazetted for me. No co pressure. No co tantalizer. Noko alarm shake. Mrs. Siama Bakope. Hope say. What's the name? But now radio SYZ. Agrada your bab bomidin. Agrada your bab bomidin. And I be bet you show when you subay 60 times. Want me and your fuku. Hope saying shut up. Anope me sorry what's about na ho and I be yiri din wa be fa na wa your ba wo modin me say me dide Empress Gifty no co fine no co pressure no co alarm shake that's it. Gifty I make us some trouble. Every idiot can go to court so mo court people na mo din na social media and so no. Social media, okwaje court letter to go to social media. You are a coward. Okwaje letter de to social media. You have not served me any letter. If you are a man with a boss, just serve me the court letter. Hobson and Gifty. So Hobson we a bema wuchia shwa. No yere. A shawe ni ba no. Ochia cha. Just serve me the court letter. Having a court letter posting on social media, fooling yourself on the social media, you will not get anything from it. And let me tell you, I'm not a coward. Gifty, I'm not a coward. Very soon, I am seeing you in international courts. Me did the mama dollars. Me nisi diso. Me catch it out. Na me si wo court unu me si mo international court unu kunu Hobson Jimmy for no a enye social media na me be ba be go wasia na wo si wo obi a social media na odi abeto social media na odi abeto no. It doesn't make sense. If you are a woman, you have a gas, just come and serve me your court letter. I will receive it and we will meet at the court. Say yeti kroyimu na kanede Japan babon se be kas wo be hia ametu alek Yamono, and in any answer near cherry near bone in your corner. Now, who grew up saying, Quasia, you didn't cheer Jimmy for God's name Mugavi radio station. Declare war, say NDC full soldiers. Baby, I'm over House-Agradaa, baby, I'm on Borono. Oh, we are in a Wukunu Jawo. I shall we need to need about to say, O Jawo, and over friend me, Mrs. Patricia Siama, aka Noko pressure, Noko alarm shake, and obe friend me evil. Obedu fieno, Gifty, one who nyansa, and Kenyan to Ukunu, a dream, and I will cook a Ukunu, and I'm about che, none entirely I was saying, papa, and I want punch a pie at the man winner usono. That tells you, say. Gifty, you are part of the fight. Because social media to Kwadania could do court. Now, do you think that me, sister, me say, Whoop me to wager. Just bring me the court letter. I will meet you. Me catch it out. Mimi kunu on canto kwana hono. Oza mi kunu wakasa. Oye be me nyansa fo. Be me woni mu nyansa. Tini de bia me catch us. So de be wale akokora kwasi ye jimi fo no. No wonder. Sempeni fo bube. Se ye wo akwale nyansani no. Na openi kwasi ya se hope sen adoye. Na what se ase. Oza mi kunu oni mu nyansa no. Have you ever heard my husband's voice in anywhere of our beef? No. Because he is not part of the beef. But you join the beef with your husband and make you show when you so what's the you were taking me to court and you were posting the court letter on the social media. And mama can't tell sir a form for now woman go one in you diagro the same level was so my class I was so. And yes, I won't see a court letter we. And I be my attention. I'm a one to say, I mean, you diagram me a page me a free honor. I will never give anybody attention. Me say, hey, hope say, and do you na me boo. Now, what be the control challenge, mammy? My boo, dear boo, went me and your fuku. As I saw that now one say, Opa, me, dinwa, what the branding and one, your friend in no confine, no, Opa, bebo, Papa say, wait, Jimmy. Oh, say, when you answer, I am here to announce to you that every stupid idiot, every dog can go to court. And you will meet me at the international courts for you to declare war for people to kill me. I want this one going to court to go. Now who Gifty abua who abetina se me trotro shade. Now there who era me say I am your boss, I am your mother. What I say, I've given you people pressure for you to run to court. But baby, I'm not a court letter than that social media cannot do anything to you. If you have bold and you are a man and you are a woman, come and serve me. Want to be quite a court people and fact I got to social media. Now let's ask me to be court. I want to be on the me, mommy. Me to wejo Tom, come and serve me. What bodamu ni nyansa. Who close woni nyansa wo ba no woni nyansa ahyawe ni tutu eni wo twemu wo dinti afa wadwene mu woni nyansa. Can you not behave like this?
What will say you shine first year pon school say it me hihye ntokwa yes hihye ntokwa wo say wo bi say wo de your ba bo me na me hwe na dia won no kono so your ba opa bo me ye be yesa wo be hu na obi okwa ma be gire he den na ye mo o say ye kunto ka na nipa kro na be pataye eye ye papa House-Agradaa ye na evangelist ma party ntokwa we no akoye sa we so opa me abo me na me hwe we so ye oba say me a romi piota na me sa na ntokwa yi akoye message wo dey comment ebe ba sa case we mama ye na ya kan mo emu nchire wa na say update bi anso attention TV for ye de be brom ni mu odin.